So at Greenworks, we've been making blowers for quite a while, but you know, we really wanted to nail down comfort with the end user. The most comfortable position for a blower isn't this, it isn't that, it isn't this, it's right here. What's great about our new blowers that we're launching in spring, when you're blowing with the blowers, they hold themselves up. So essentially, you can hold it with your pinky finger as well. But super lightweight, very ergonomic to blow. But this little handheld blower is just as powerful as a 26 Newton backpack blower. Wow. So very lightweight, very ergonomic. It has a cruise control, so we got rid of the lever cruise control because sometimes when landscapers will put them on their trucks, they'd accidentally activate it. They go from site to site, and then all of a sudden they have no battery left on their blower. So this is our handheld blowers. Like I said, this is a little sneak peek into what we're doing for spring for handheld. However, you know, we've had the 36 Newton blower. So this is our BB361. It's been on the market. Great feedback, great run time, great power. However, we're not launching one, not two, but 3 new backpack blowers in the lineup. So this is your Optimus Series here, and then to the right we have the Series X. And what I did was I put our competitors' blowers here kind of in the same similar newtons of blow force. So basically you start with a BR430 all the way up to the big Shindaiwa. This is 48 newtons of blow force, but it's very loud and I will not start it right now, unless you guys want me to. What's great is at Greenworks, now we have a 50 Newton backpack blower that's more powerful than some of the largest gas backpack blowers in the market. And then we have a 26 Newton on the lower end. However, this is more powerful than this, that's more powerful than that, and all these have a fraction of the noise of a gas backpack blower, a fraction of the cost, because you don't have to keep doing relative maintenance on them. These are maintenance-free, tests up to 1,000 hours. So lightweight, ergonomic, less noise, less vibration, and overall a better experience while blowing. And all you have to do is pull the trigger, and it fires right up. So this is our smaller backpack blower for the folks that maybe don't necessarily use a lot of blowers during their season but need to clean off. Great option, entry point blower. So like I said, 26 newtons, but still quite quiet. So all of our blowers fall within the 65 decibel range at 50 feet. Obviously with a larger blower, it's on the lower setting. However, if you need to get started earlier in the day or work later in the night, you're not going to bother anybody. It's especially good for towns and municipalities with noise ordinances. They fall within that lineup.
And then the model numbers match the Newton force.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, so we're all the way up over 1,000 Newton or 1,000 CFM, over 200 miles an hour with the 50 blower. But what you'll notice is there's other competitors on the market that have, you know, battery powered blowers, but they're considerably heavier. Even with the batteries out, it is still quite heavy. So even our more powerful backpack blowers could be up to 3 to 4 pounds lighter, depending on your battery configuration. So you don't have all the weight pulling on your back. And with upgraded straps on our X range, it's super comfortable, and I would love for you guys to try these out. So who's first?
Can we hear that one?
Oh. Yeah, it was a strap.
I'll cut that out. Do it again, please.
So, yeah, no, it was just the strap that pulled in there because I wasn't wearing it. But yeah, but go ahead and come over here and feel the weight. Like I said, this is going to be more of your 800 Magnum blower, except it's going to be much more powerful.
Oh, it's heavy. All back there. All right, babe, come here real quick. I know you're hot.
So you have digital speed selection, so now you can ramp up. And to get 50 newtons, you go to the last setting.
Yeah, I'm on that one. I got the.
There you go.
I got the 361 right now. I like it. Anybody else?
All of our commercial backpack blowers have LED lights on the handle, so if you're in areas where it's a little bit darker or the sun's going down, you can see what you're blowing. On our new X range blowers, it actually has, it's got a telescoping tube. So for landscapers to have less, tighter space on their trailers, you can bring the tube in and hang it up higher, so you don't have to worry about the tube sticking out.
Is STIHL losing some blowing force by bringing their tube up and around?
Yeah, so they do have it's quiet, but with the centrifugal fan blower system, you're just not getting enough blow force out of it. So essentially this is like
Have to work harder to get there.
that's right. This is about 32, 33 newtons. And with our 361, we're already at, obviously 36 newtons of blow force. But like I said, the overall weight, you can feel how heavy this is.
Yeah. And is there any real advantage to having the separation back here on a battery powered blower?
I mean, it's an easy way to get that miles per hour up to really start moving some, wet leaves and such. However, you'd be lucky to get about 18 to 20 minutes of runtime.
Yeah.
So like I said, it's a great blower. I won't knock it, but it's overall wider between your back and the end of the blower. And these are much more narrow, and the batteries are up towards your back.